guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is for you if you are on the fence for wanting a traveler's notebook. This is a hack video of sorts, a hack. So I ended up finding this little binder here. It's a 72-page card holder. It holds like gift cards or like your business cards, like so. It's kind of like a snug fit, but that's, you know, what that is for. But I saw this and I thought, you know what, this would make a perfect traveler's notebook. And it's a nice faux leather with the white stitching. It's, you know, it's pretty slim. It's not as thick as kind of like the traditional traveler's notebook. The single notebooks, you can put like at least one or two with like a jump band, and I'll show you that in a second. But I just wanted to show you that you can use this little 72-page pocket thing, removes like that. I will put links down below to this specific binder, I guess you would call it, in faux traveler's notebook, and you can check this out. So this is if you're not wanting to throw down the $50 to $100 on an actual traveler's notebook. Just to kind of show you that this will work as a traveler's notebook for those of you who are new to traveler's notebook or on the fence. So I took out the interior, which was the little card slot here. I'll just kind of set that aside and use it for something else. I went through and made my own notebook notebooks to put into my planner. It's something I've been working on trying to do with my pocket size, because, you know, I'll try the printables and then I have issues, and that's like a whole nother video trying to learn how to print front and back and making them match up. So I just made my own. But I have here, I'll just show you like some of the blank pages. Like I've gone through and kind of filled out a couple so far, but the blank ones I sort of have like the Monday, Tuesday, and then I've got some little check boxes here. And then on the interior, it's got the Wednesday, Thursday, and then here's Friday, the weekend, and then I've got shopping list on one side, and then on this side it's like classroom to-dos, so classroom specific things that I need to do. So I kind of like it, you know, because I catered it to what I specifically need. I haven't found any like this on Etsy that are, you know, geared towards like jobs, so I just made my own. But and then on the back side it has like stuff to do and then like some notes, and then it repeats with Monday, Tuesday, the check boxes, and then Wednesday, Thursday. And like designing these, you have to design like opposite side, and then that way they match up when you fold them. I don't know, it's confusing to me, I don't know. But anyway, so that's like my first notebook, and then I just have a regular white cardstock as a cover, and it's fairly simple to make. So basically I just took my cardstock, I sort of measured slightly on the inside of this binder just to kind of get like the size, you know, wise, so I can have this as an actual cover in the booklet. And then my inserts are cut a little bit slimmer than the cover, so they fit like so. And then there's that. And then I'm just going to take this little cover and tuck it under here like that. So that's the one booklet, and there's that. And then I have another one that I made this one so I can take this with me to Go Wild, which is happening in like 2 days. I'm so excited about Go Wild being here in Austin. And I made just sort of a simple black and white with like the notes, and I just like plain paper. I love just having the plain paper to kind of jot down. You know, I'm a to-do lister, so this will be perfect for me. I don't really have time to set up my pocket size notebook for Go Wild, so I'm just gonna be using this. And I'm gonna tuck this back cover, and that's what the back looks like that. And like that. And to get sort of the pattern on the cover, I just printed it out on my Silhouette program, and then printed on both sides, and then trimmed this out. And then on the inside as well, I just glued, I printed on plain paper and just glued the interior on there because I forgot to double side print. And then just staple those. You know, it's real easy to kind of staple those. There's tons of videos on how to make the little notebooks real easy, and like so. And then I'm going to kind of attach these so that they kind of stay together. So I'm going to find the inside where the staples are, like that, and I'm going to use my jump band. And usually when you purchase brand new traveler's notebooks, you'll get a jump band as well. So I'm just going to use my white one to attach these two together. And I'm going to go like this. Just kind of tuck that in the center like that, so that way they stay together. And there's the little notebook like that so far, and you can see there's like the two, And then to kind of, and it, you know, I'll probably just keep it like this. And I know normally they have the little strap on the outside, but if that's what you're wanting, you can attach another jump band. I think this one that I have here is a little bit too big, so it's not gonna keep it closed completely, but I can probably just undo this to make it a little bit tighter like that and just pull it off that way. But I'm just gonna use like a hair tie, no biggie. It's one of a new, it's kind of tight on there, but I think one that's kind of already stretched out would work because the real tight one might leave dents, but I mean, that doesn't bother me. It might bother some, but that'll work like so. I have a pin loop that I'm gonna attach. I got this in my swag bag when I went to PlannerCon in San Francisco last year. So I'm just gonna peel off this sticky back, but it's similar to those Erin Condren pin loops that you can buy. I can get this paper off like that. I'm gonna peel this off. And I'm gonna actually attach it to the back of this. I know it's not really, you're supposed to attach it to like your notebook. I'll do it about right here. Like that. And it's just got the little elastic loop on the side, and then I will attach like that. Just press that on there. And then my pen, I like these gel pens from Papermate Inkjoy. I like the 0.7, so I'll add that on there. It's hard to get in that elastic, but let's see. There we go, like that. And then just kind of squeeze that, make it, hope it sticks on there. There we go. And there is my single compact traveler's notebook. That's like really cute. I like that. And so if you're contemplating, like if you're in a pocket size and you want to try like a larger size, like the, you know, personal size, or, you know, I've been on my wish list, I have a B6, you know, wanting a B6. So, but I just thought this would be a great little video to kind of show you like, oh, this is, you know, you can do your own little traveler's notebook without, you know, putting down a whole bunch of money, and then you get to the point you're like, I don't like it, and it's like, well, okay. And this was only about like maybe 10 bucks. So there's that. And I've got some little decorative things. Again, I'm using this for Go Wild, which is in a few days. So I'm gonna attach that probably on my cover back here. How cute. That's perfect, because Go Wild is like a galaxy theme, and the purple is like their logo. And purple is like one of my least favorite colors, but this looks pretty with like black, purple and black. So there's that. And then I might add like a journaling card or something on the front of this little pocket. There's that. So there's all of that. So that's like pretty easy, I guess. Yeah, so that's pretty easy. But that is it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Also, click that notification bell so you'll instantly know when I post a video. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.